So welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about no crank, no start and no dashboard lights, meaning if you turn your ignition those lights doesn't appear. So in this case this car's dashboard lights does go on, and when you crank the ignition it does want to start. But this is a true story that happened with this car, and I was driving along minding my own business, and when I got to a client's house, the car, when I came back to the car to start the car, there was no lights whatsoever on this dashboard. I tried even to bump start the car because it's a manual gearbox or transmission, and it still doesn't want it to start. So there's three things you need to look for when you have this problem. The first one is you go to the fuses. In this car it's right over here, and you can test all these fuses with a multimeter. So if you've checked all the fuses and inside the car and there's no problem, then you'll proceed to the next one, which is inside the engine compartment. So this is the engine compartment. Something that can happen sometimes if you have no lights on the dashboard is that your ground wire is not connected or it's frayed, and then you don't get the right connection. So that's number two. Number three, and this is the one that happened to this car, was these fuses, and they're called fusible links. So I'm going to open this one for you and show you how what I replaced inside here. So this is the inside of the fuse box, and what you're seeing here is a new fusible link. When I opened this one, there was all these wires in front of you that are new were burned. So I replaced one of these type of fusible links. So remember, if you have a crank no start and no dashboard lights, this is probably the culprit, the fusible links. Thank you for watching.